My name is Tim, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Monash Motorsport this year. After 3 years of design, manufacturing and testing, we are extremely excited to present M22 at the FSAE Australasia competition this year. Today, we were able to pass the EV1 and mechanical tech inspection events for this car, placing us well to tackle EV2 and all 3 statics events tomorrow. Additionally, we wrapped up the final testing of M19D this morning, with the car now getting ready for tech inspection tomorrow in time for a dynamic autonomous track drive demonstration on Saturday.